Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and super easy quilled birthday card with the background making techniques. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm strips, water spray, liquid glue, some inks, sponge dauber, half cut pearls, quilling tool, pencil, scissor, wired pollens, acrylic block and any leaf stamp and white color sheet. First I am starting with making this lovely flower. For one petal I am taking half strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. In the same way I have created one more teardrop, so joining both the petals and wrapping this whole petal using peach color strip. Like this. Now I am taking this vibrant fuchsia pink color archival ink and using sponge dauber I am adding little ink on the bottom part of the petal for little shading. Now I am joining 7 petals together to create the flower, and for the center I will add half cut pearl. Like this. In the same way I have created 2 more small flowers using 1/4 strip of white, and these 2 tiny flowers for which I have used only 1 strip for the one petal. This is also made using 1/4 strip. Now I am starting with these fillers. For this I am taking half strip of orange color and making a cone shape. Now I am inserting one wired pollen through this and filling this cone using glue. So these cute fillers are ready. Now I am starting with the leaf. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making one teardrop shape. Now I am joining 3 teardrops with each other and leaves are ready. Now I am taking this white sheet which measures 14 by 14 centimeters, and using grey and pink ink I am just applying this ink using these ink boxes directly on the white base. Like this. Now I am spraying little water using my water spray bottle and allowing it to dry for some time. Now I am taking one more white sheet which measures 12 by 12 centimeters, and this time I am using blue color archival ink and just tapping it on the base, not spreading it. So it will get automatically the square patterns on all over the page. Like this. Now, using the pencil from backside of the sheet, I am making some wavy patterns on all four edges. Like this, and I will cut these waves using my scissors. Like this. Now I'm distressing the edge of this paper using pink archival ink, and for this I am using my sponge dauber. If you don't have inks, you can also use watercolors. Now I am taking my black ink and leaf clear stamp, and I am stamping these patterns on all over the edge of this paper. Like this. Now I am distressing all four edges using my scissors just to give little shabby look. So this is done. Now I'm taking this 30 by 15 centimeter white color base, and first I'm adding my grey pink combination handmade pattern paper on this. Then I'm adding my blue color pattern paper. Then I have stamped this birthday wishes on paper doily, so I am adding in center of the card. And then I am decorating my card using these beautiful quilling designs. like this. Also I'm adding some black color swirls here and there. You can also use quilling scrolls in place of this. So the beautiful quilled birthday card is ready. I'm sure you will try it. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.